Welcome back to Blaze Pro, your ultimate destination for everything on two wheels. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 Yamaha RX100, a motorcycle that blends heritage, style, and next-generation technology. Stick around till the end because we'll be breaking down its features, performance, pricing, and how it stacks up against its modern-day competitors. The RX100 of the past was all about raw power and agility, and Yamaha has tried to capture that same DNA in this latest version. The 2026 RX100 comes with a 125 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, fuel-injected engine, designed to deliver crisp throttle response and impressive low-end torque. Unlike its two-stroke ancestor, this model meets strict emission norms without losing its punchy performance. The bike produces around 15 horsepower and offers a peak torque of 12 Nm, making it a thrilling option in the commuter sport segment. When it comes to speed, the RX100 still lives up to its reputation. The new model can clock a top speed of around 110 km/h, ensuring you get both speed and stability for city rides and short highway bursts. In terms of fuel efficiency, Yamaha has struck a balance, offering a range of about 50 to 55 km/L, making it practical as well as performance-friendly. Design-wise, Yamaha has done a fantastic job of retaining the retro appeal. The round headlamp, slim fuel tank, and minimalist side panels pay tribute to the original RX100, while modern touches like LED lighting, a semi-digital instrument cluster, and alloy wheels give it a contemporary edge. This is a bike that turns heads, whether you're a nostalgic rider who remembers the old RX100 or a new generation biker looking for something stylish yet affordable. Speaking of affordability, the 2026 Yamaha RX100 is expected to be priced around 1.3 to 1.5 lakh rupees, ex-showroom. Putting it in direct competition with models like the Bajaj Pulsar 125, TVS Raider, and Honda SP125. While these bikes focus heavily on fuel efficiency and comfort, the RX100 stands apart with its heritage-inspired design and sporty performance, making it a unique choice in this segment. Performance on the road feels nimble and engaging, thanks to its lightweight frame and responsive handling. Whether you're navigating through crowded city traffic or carving through twisty roads, the RX100 feels planted and fun to ride. Suspension duties are handled by telescopic forks at the front and dual shock absorbers at the rear, while braking comes with disc options, ensuring safety without compromising style. In conclusion, the 2026 Yamaha RX100 is more than just a comeback, it's a rebirth of an icon. It carries the spirit of the original while embracing modern technology, making it perfect for today's riders who want both nostalgia and performance. If you're a fan of bikes that stand out in the crowd, this is definitely worth keeping an eye on. That wraps up our detailed look at the Yamaha RX100 2026 edition. What